anywhere, in any town or any village. We'll get young people to dance. We'll get a man to play a tune on the fiddle or a fadog, no Roddy Marchin, and we'll beg on a crack a going. That's our culture. That's what the purists abroad want to see. They want us to have it here, played in our radio, not listen to other stuff. When they come to Ireland, if they go into a hotel or into a pub or in to get their hair cut, they want the Irish music and the Irish culture played and listened to. Not all stuff coming from abroad. That's good as well, and we can't close our mind to any of that. But we have to get back to our roots. And I don't know where your roots are gone. But by God, they're short green shoots, and you want to get a bit of 10-10-20 or some kind of fertiliser to see could you stimulate them again, because you've lost your way in a lot of cases. I want to just say that, yeah, Calla Nua, C-A-L-L-A-D-H, Nua, it's a lovely new group. Go out and get their CD and listen to them. You'll be dancing around a Christmas table with the turkey in your hand, and you might spill the Canberry if you're not careful. It just stimulates you. It invigorates you. It's what we are. It's what we come from. It's where we came from, and what we're proud of, and what we want to have going forward. And I don't want any parties standing in here just rubbing their hands to keep down Willie Penrose or anybody else. Let the Irish people, goodness knows we're downtrodden enough since the recession, and what we can't do with the Troika, and what we can't do with this, and what we can't do with that. This is something we can do, we're able to do it, we want to do it, let us do it. Let us celebrate what we are, our culture, and bring back the likes of Ross and Murraku and Donny Cassidy to give you pep talks on what we can do. And like I said about the post office debate, use our culture, use our song, our dance, our literature, our history, our arts, use it or lose it. And we have lost a lot of it, but thanks to all those good people up there, and our families, and our supporters, and all the employment they give to the driving the van, to the people that are background music, to the hotels, to the marquees. Use it or lose it. Agus Gonari and Tall, Leshon Billy Shen, Gormagut.
Those musicians will be in demand. When I want a charity event, or you want a charity event, the very first port of call are those people, and they'll respond. If some place that there's a fire and the building needs to be restored, or that, they're there. If there's going to be Christmas parties for the elderly in the hospitals throughout the area, they're there. I know it, all in Candy Bears, small, but they're all going in to St Mary's, to the hospitals, to all the hospitals. Those are the people that do it. They're not looking for any money. They do it because they love it. They do it because they love the music. I appeal to you, even at this last thing, bring this to committee. Let us work at it.